Hello guys, this is straight out of China, and today we'll try to replace an analog stick on the Xbox controller. We have an Xbox controller without an analog stick because we already ripped it off. So just saying, ripping it off is the hardest part, and we also damaged the board a bit, so I hope this repair will work. So as you can see here, it should be one more analog stick, but we need to attach it. And the hardest part is to remove it. I was unsoldering it and ripping it off with screwdriver, so we damaged the board a bit, but we got 6 new of these analog sticks to replace this one, so let's go down to the soldering. So the hardest thing of this job was ripping it off, but I unfortunately don't have the footage where we did this because it was such a messy job. We had to unsolder it and rip it off. It was not very nice, so I don't have it, but we will now put a new analog stick. We got 6 from China for about $2, I think, so we can just choose the best one. Okay, this one seems good, so I will put it on. So we got it in with a lot of pressure, and let's see if it works. So we're here, we will test it out now. So guys, I recommended this controller and don't think it broke. It came in broken. I got this for replacement, and I just wanted to repair this one because analog stick was broken, and I will have 2 controllers for a price of 1. So let's try it out. Okay, we got a flashing light. This is a very good sign, so we will run our software Joy to Key, I think, yes, and we'll try it out. So left controller is working. This is analog stick 1. It works, and let's try the new one. Left, down, right and up. It works, it works. Even with board damaged a bit and with some pressure, we repaired it. So I think if I can do this, you can do this too.